Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics which is from the topic cost, revenue and break-even point. Okay, so before starting the discussion I want to tell you that you can get more important problems of mathematics on our website which is education-adda.com. The link is also available in the description box of the video. Okay, so how you will get math important questions? So visit the website, then you go to menu and there you select academics adda, and in academics adda you will get one tab called math important questions. So please select that to get some more important problems. Also you can get some more important problems on our YouTube channel. Okay, so please visit the playlist titled math important questions. Coming to the problem, what is said, see here it is given that a company markets exercise DVDs and the selling price of each DVD is given as $29.95, okay, which includes shipping and handling charges, monthly fixed cost. So it is advertising, rent, etc. Okay, it is fixed cost is given as $38,130 and variable cost is given as $9.45 per DVD. Okay, which includes materials, shipping, etc. So we have to find the cost equation and the revenue equation. In part B, we have to find how many DVDs that must be sold in order to break even. Break even means there will be no profit and there will be no loss and the cost will be equal to revenue. And part C is we have to graph the cost and revenue equations and show the break even point and also interpret the regions between the lines to the left and to the right of the break even point. Okay, so we will solve one by one. See, selling price per DVD is given as $29.95, fixed cost per month. Okay, it is per month and it is given as $38,130. Variable cost per DVD is given as $9.45. So we are assuming that the total number of DVDs sold per month be X. Okay. Now we have to find the cost equation. So in order to get the cost equation, see cost will be dependent on fixed cost as well as variable cost. So we have to add both fixed cost and variable cost. So cost equation will be, see cost per month in dollar. C is cost per month in dollar. So C equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, and variable cost will be variable cost per unit into number of units sold. So it will be C equal to 38,130 plus 9.45 is your variable cost per DVD and number of DVDs sold is X. So C will be 38,130 plus 9.45X. Hence cost equation is C equal to 38,130 plus 9.45X. Next we have to find the revenue equation. So in order to find the revenue equation, what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of units sold into selling price per DVD. So it will be R equal to 29.95x, where 29.95 is selling price per DVD and X is the quantity of DVDs sold. So revenue equation is R equal to 29.95x. Now we have to find the break even point. So break even point is a point where revenue will be equal to cost and the profit will be equal to zero. Okay. So we have to equate cost and revenue equation. So our revenue is 29.95x and cost will be is 38,130 plus 9.45x. Okay. So taking x on one side and constant on the other side, we get 29.95 minus 9.45x equal to 38,130, which is equivalent to 20.5x equal to 38,130, and x can be calculated as 1860. Hence 1860 DVDs must be sold each month for the company to break even. So if the company will be able to sell more than 1860 DVDs, the company will be in profit. And if it will be selling less than 1860, then the company will make a loss. Okay. Now plotting the cost and revenue equation. Okay, this like this we will get the graph. See, this vertical axis is revenue or cost per month. Horizontal axis is quantities of DVDs sold per month. R is nothing but revenue and C is cost. Okay. So this line is our revenue equation line. This one CR, and this is our cost line. Okay. And where the two lines intersect, that will be break even. So this point is break even point. So the quantity, when we draw a line parallel to vertical axis intersecting the horizontal axis, then this will indicate your quantity. So quantity is 1860, and the revenue or cost per month for this X means for 1860 unit, it will be $55,707. Okay, so this one is the break even point. Now we have to interpolate where the company will make the profit and where it will be loss. Okay. So if we see the graph, so this region, you can see this region. Okay, in between the two lines. So this much profit company will make on the, if your revenue is more than cost. Okay, here you can see in this region revenue is more than cost, and the profit will be shown by this difference. Okay, similarly if we see left side of the break even point, that is this region. So here revenue is less than cost, it means the company will make a loss in this region. Okay, so from graph it can easily be observed that break-even quantity is 1860, where cost, that is C, and revenue will be equal, and that will be $55,707. And from the graph we can see when revenue is greater than cost, there will be profit, that is regions between the lines to the right of the break-even point, and cost will be greater than revenue, then there will be loss, that is the region between the lines to the left of the break even point. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.